12 bucks for 6 miles. First stop is right here. First watch.
Head to your pickup at Burger King 1242 Lee Street. Turn right, then turn left on Orchard Place.
Man, 3 floors up the stairs. It's too early for this. Back at First Watch, this is another $14, 7-mile trip. 2 orders. It's not ready yet. Off to our second stop, 4 miles away, 7-Eleven in Schiller Park. Here we are, 7-Eleven. Yeah, might as well come in with me. Three students at a time only, backpacks up front. This be a problem. Little pickup for Nicholas. Thank you so much. Came out of here out of nowhere. I was trying to get out of the car. Couldn't turn on the camera. The second stop is 2.4 miles away. I believe it's to a warehouse. It's the last train. Thank God it's the last cart. Car. Right? That's what they call it. Oh my God. Got lucky. Well, hopefully the arms go up. Oh, there you go. Let's go before it reverses.
Turn right on Franklin Avenue.
There was a car behind me that made a U-turn. He wasn't patient enough. Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Easy peasy. Our next one, we got Portillo's, $10, 2.5 miles, just across the street. The order is for 2 whole chocolate cakes. Never done that before. Alright, now we're going 2.5 miles. Deliver this to an office. Someone's having a birthday thing, probably.
door. Ring the doorbell to the left of the main door. Meet receptionist.
Yes, sir. We got the bibimbap place here. $9 for 5 miles. Let's do it. Wow, there was a wait. The lady was bagging. The lady was bagging like 12 orders. So the wait was pretty good because they were actually busy, not just standing there, you know. Man, where is this place?
Turn right. The street is on the left. Head to your pickup at Mr. Gross Mannheim and Tui.
All right, we have another stack. $11, 4 miles. Mr. Brost first. Hopefully it's ready. Mr. Brost. Where can we park? Home of the Zinger Burger. Hello, pickup for Nader. Nader. Thank you. Is bibimbap. Asian grill again. Hopefully
Turn left.
it's not that long of a wait again. 1 mile away. Yeah, for Dawn. 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 Sorry. Dawn Asher. Yeah. Thank you. This building, all the small orders, they come out. It's like they don't have time for lunch or something. They really just, all right, man. Thank you for my order. Bye. Next stop is 0.7 miles away. I had to leave it on the counter. There's a little cafe there. The security lady was like, next time you gotta park on the side. But there's a sign that actually says loading zone over there. Can't argue with them. Can't win it all.